th that is the 32-inch Ellen Wharf / Harbor Breeze Laralyn ceiling fan, which is installed in the hallway. 32 inches. Yeah, I can show you all 3 speeds of this fan. There's a logo there, but there's a Harbor Breeze is up there. Yeah, the noisy fail says Hampton Bay Hugger. Let's go focus on this, so I'll show you all 3 speeds. First, light. Fan, low. Yeah, in this bedroom there used to be a 52-inch Harbor Breeze Pawtucket, but it fell down. Yeah, that happened. Yeah, R.I.P. Harbor Breeze Pawtucket. Fell down, but didn't have the video, but that was a long time ago. Medium. It spins pretty fast. Holds a bit of air. And high. Now thanks for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Bye.